Hey, this is Matt for AVNation.tv. We are here in Amsterdam for ISE 2018, and we are in the Peerless AV booth with Nick. Nick, how are you today?
I am wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Nick, we've been covering you guys for a while here at ISE. Why do you come not only to ISE, but also debut so many products here at this show?
It's a great question. Integrated Systems Europe, as Peerless AV has expanded our reach to become a truly global organization, Integrated Systems Europe is the tip of our spear. It's one of our largest footprints in trade shows globally, and it's where we first see technology that will dramatically impact how we support that technology. And so that's why our footprint here has grown, not only to show our offering, but to gather intelligence on how we can better support the industry.
Very good. We're standing in front of one of your kiosks. This was introduced a couple of years ago, if I remember correctly, but this is really growing for you guys, leaps and bounds. You mentioned just before when we were preambling that you're integrating these with vehicle charging stations and things like that. Mm-hmm. Tell us a little bit more about how that line is expanded.
So what we've learned is initially we started with strictly bespoke solutions, which we still have and we continue to rev based on customer feedback and based on specific needs. But what we're also learning, and it's here, this is the first time we've showed in this kiosk, is a certain segment of the digital signage market is looking for what we refer to as the easy button.
Right.
They don't want to have a bespoke kiosk, they don't want to pick their display, they don't want to pick their media player. They want to purchase this particular product, the KIPC All-in-One, which comes with a commercial grade panel, it comes with a bright sign player in it and all of the benefits that go with bright sign. It's wireless, either Wi-Fi or cellular, and again, we will drop ship this to your location exactly as is. All you have to do is load your content on it and you're ready to go. So this addresses a segment of the market that previously our bespoke solutions did not, and it does it with an excellent form factor that's actually slimmer than what we're able to accomplish with our more bespoke solutions.
That's fantastic. We looked also at another unit of yours that is incorporating another display that is, again, rated and using all the fans and all the things for that. How has that become so important?
So one of the things that we have assisted the industry in doing is making the transition from indoor to outdoors. And in doing that, you have a variety of different challenges. One is the Ingress Protection rating of the cabinet itself.
Right.
You need to protect the electronics, but more importantly, you need to be able to appropriately cool the electronics because heat is the enemy of electronics.
Very much so.
And so there's a solution that we have in the booth that we partnered with Samsung on. And they were able to assist us in making sure that we got the airflow exactly right for our new street furniture as part of their OH product line. And so again, we're thermodynamic experts, not just form factor experts.
Right.
And that is what really allows the customers to be able to take whatever technology they want into whatever environment they want.
How does that assist the integrators when they're coming to spec things? Because obviously this is off the shelf, you just go in, order it, and it arrives. Getting into something like that, are you eliminating a lot of that, calculation time?
We are. We remove a lot of the guesswork from it. So particularly with the extreme displays that we're showing here, that is the highest Ingress Protection rating of any display in the industry. It's an IP68 display. And so if you're going to put that somewhere where you have a particular issue, something highly specialized like magnetized brake dust that seems to find its way to ingress into everything, that is a unique solution for it. And so that one is also in a way just the easy button. If you need a high bright display, that's fully sealed, that doesn't have to be maintained in any way.
Right.
That's an excellent solution for that problem.
Very good. We also talked about and looked at your new display that is going into those charging spaces. Tell us a little bit about that.
So it's the next generation of the Extreme line.
Okay.
It's launching fully as a line in June. Will be available in 43, 49, 55, and 65 inch. Today what we're featuring here is the 55-inch High Bright series. It's a 2500 nit IP68 display that is available currently in North America, and the entire line will be launching across Europe again in June.
How does that differ from the Extreme series that you've had in the past?
So the Extreme series in the past was about 25% heavier.
Okay.
The heat sinks were substantially larger. We've reconfigured them and reconfigured the way that air moves inside of the display so that the heat sinks are more effective. It's dramatically thinner. Okay. We've incorporated handles into it, and we've increased its brightness by a factor of almost 4. So it went from a 700 nit optically bonded panel to a 2500 nit optically bonded panel with an IK10 hardness rating. So it's going to make it extremely vandal resistant. I won't say proof because highly motivated vandals are going to find a way.
Very much so. The last thing that I want to just touch on real briefly is your new LED mounting products. Okay. Tell us a little bit about that.
So LED mounting solutions have existed since LED tiles themselves came out. Just like mounting solutions existed in one form or fashion for LCD since they came out. What Peerless AV endeavors to do is take what exists in the market, standardize it, and make it better for the installer, who's ultimately our customer for that product. What the new solution does is it offers all of the points of adjustment. We took a similar mindset that we brought to the video wall category, and we have the new Supreme video wall for LCDs here today as well.
Right.
Adjustment is the key to all of this, right? Anybody can use Unistrut and put together a very nice wall, but the amount of time that it takes and the precision to get the tiles so completely aligned for that aesthetic is extraordinarily difficult. The new LED solution that we launched here, that by the way we won an award for that we're quite proud of.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Makes it much more easy for the end user to accomplish that objective.
How much time goes into looking at that type of solution?
Literally hundreds of hours of research and development, because you've got a variety of different cabinet sizes, a variety of different wall structures, you've got ceiling structures, and if you're going to be of value to the folks that want to use your product, you have to take all of those considerations into your design. To your previous reference, we're trying to make the installation easy or hit the easy button for our customers. And if there is a situation for which we don't have a solution, that no longer becomes easy. Then they have to remember, well, you have this, but not that. So
now, is this a universal product across the board for essentially any LED manufacturer, or is it specific per manufacturer?
We have both. So we have OEM specific LED walls, like the Samsung one that we're showing here today.
Right.
We work with a variety of different OEMs on their tiles, and then we have a universal solution as well.
Okay, so something for everyone.
Yes, absolutely. Something for everyone.
So if someone wants to find out more information about any of the products like the kiosk or the new LED walls, where can they do that?
All of the information on all of the products that are here today are on our global website, which is www.peerless-av.com.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
For more footage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.